Understanding ROI from SaaS, a simple guide. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore an important concept in the business world, ROI from SaaS. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, or just curious about how businesses measure success, this video will simplify these terms for easy understanding. ROI stands for return on investment. It's a measure used to evaluate the efficiency or profitability of an investment. In simple terms, ROI tells you what you get back compared to what you put in. Think of it as checking the worth of an investment. SaaS stands for Software as a Service. It's a way of delivering applications over the internet as a service. Instead of installing and maintaining software, you simply access it via the internet. SaaS models are popular because they're cost-effective, scalable, and accessible. To calculate ROI from SaaS, you subtract the cost of the SaaS product from the gain obtained from using it, and then divide this total by the cost. It's like figuring out what you've gained after all expenses. A positive ROI means the investment is paying off. Several factors can affect ROI in SaaS. These include the initial cost, operational efficiencies gained, customer satisfaction, and scalability. Understanding these factors helps businesses make informed decisions about SaaS investments. Let's look at some examples. A company might use a SaaS product for customer relationship management. The ROI would be measured in terms of improved sales, customer satisfaction, and reduced time spent on managing data. Understanding ROI from SaaS helps businesses and individuals make smarter decisions about where to invest their resources. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in breaking down these concepts. Stay tuned for more videos on business and technology topics.